Okay, you're looking for this rock right here on the left. This is Elephant Rock near Buena Vista, or Buena Vista, depending on how you pronounce it, Colorado. This is a dispersed camping site, meaning there is no charge, totally free. You can stay up to 14 days. Unlike some of the other ones I've looked at around this area, these sites are kind of close together. It's almost like a gravel parking lot. So let's just take a quick roundabout here. And you can see they're just little gravel spots, kind of close together. But hey, you can't be free. And if you're traveling, this is a great place to stop and just grab some sleep. Kind of busy on the weekends because of its location. Right to the right over here is the Arkansas River. Very popular spot to bring a kayak and other things. So if you're into water sports, it's a good spot. And let's see if we can find any open spots in here. And they do have 2 portable toilets over there. So this is got a little bit more than some of the other dispersed camping sites I've seen. And there is one spot left here on the end. I'm going to grab it. This will be home for the night. Alright, this is the front to the rock here, and the signs as you come in. Mountains in the background there. Yep, some hiking trails I just spotted across the road behind me there. We'll go back to that in just a minute. Let me take a quick look over the campsite here. We'll do that. Okay, this is from the perspective of looking as you're coming in. Let's take a quick look at these signs up here. Makes note of mountain lions, so keep your pets close, especially your dogs. What to do if you see one. Name of the campsite there. This is Elephant Rock. Stay up to 14 days within a 28-day period. And across the road on the other side, some climbers were over there previously. You can do some rock climbing, and there's some good hiking trails over there too. We'll have to check those out. Okay, as far as the campground goes, that's pretty much it. So if that's all you wanted to see, you could probably stop here. I'm going to go ahead and just look around the area and cross the road and check out these hiking trails across the street here. Well, the sun's went down. It is definitely cooling off. Get our last views of the day before it gets dark. This is where everybody was rock climbing earlier. Well, the sun hasn't gone down yet. It's just cloudy today. Still up there. And that is what the immediate area looks like back at the Rock. And this is what it looks like coming in or going out. Got these neat tunnels carved through the rock. So I'll end the video with this. This is Elephant Campground near Buena Vista, Colorado. And you got these tunnels. All right. Until next time. See ya.